Guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. Follow us and get the proposed songs list on your TikTok. Guys, let's open the TikTok application. We know how important it is to get the proposed songs list because TikTok usually create this list fit into your created TikTok, so the proposed sound probably will have the same duration as your TikTok, probably will fit to the style of your TikTok, and probably also the TikTok app will promote your TikTok with the recommended sound added. So guys, I hope that this tutorial definitely will be useful and important for you. How to add the sound for your TikTok from the recommendations list. Let's create a new TikTok as an example after clicking on the plus icon at the bottom panel of the screen. Also, I will click on the red button to create a new TikTok. Let's click on the check mark here. Well done. So how to get this recommendations list? We need to pick on this top icon at the on the screen, and we have the favorite section and recommended. So guys, these songs are recommended from the TikTok for you. Also, these songs are probably one of the most favorites on the whole TikTok and has a lot of views and TikTok's creations. So I really like this cat. Let's activate this sound, and I want to disable the original sound of my video. Also, don't forget that you can use the needful duration of the edit sound and the needful start time and the end point of the sound, clicking on the this icon opposite it, and let's tap on the done to save these changes. In this way, guys, you can also correct the volume of your original sound and the edit one. I want to set the maximum level of my edit sound, and I cannot correct the original sound as I disabled it before. Let's click on the done again, and after you can with no troubles activate publish your TikTok on your profile. So guys, if this tutorial was useful and interesting, don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more info about the TikTok and other programs. Bye guys, good luck!